Hello everyone, today we will learn the correct use of preposition in, on, at. In is used for months, years, countries, cities, and for rooms. On is used for days, dates, surfaces. At is used for specific time, specific place. Let's do with some examples. I live in Pakistan. Here we are talking about country, so we use preposition in. The book is on the table. We're talking about surface. Table is a surface, so we use the preposition on. School starts at 8 a.m. We're talking about specific time, so we use the preposition at. We play cricket on Sunday. Sunday is a day, so we use preposition on. She is in the kitchen. Kitchen is an enclosed space, so we use preposition in. If you found my video helpful, subscribe my channel.